Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to go over how to save locations on your Uber. Now, if you want to save locations, so it's going to be easier for you to book rides or trips. If you frequent those locations, it's quite simple. All you need to do is, of course, you need to be signed into your Uber on your phone. Go tap on enter pickup location on top like so. Once you're here, you can tap on save places like so. Here, tap on the third option. So the first option is add home, second is add work, third is add a new place. So tap on it, add a new place like so, and just enter your location you want to save, right? There you go. Do that. And just add a location nickname. Tap done. Tap save place. There you go. New market has been added to your saved places on your Uber app. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.